Hello students, welcome back in your science class. Today we will learn about neutralization reaction. In previous session, you have learned that an acid turns blue litmus into red color and a base turns red litmus into blue color. But what happens when an acid mixed with a base? When an acid mixed with a base, a new substance is formed because acid and base neutralize the effect of each other, and the new substance is called salt. Along with salt, water and heat is evolved. Here an acid is a hydrochloric acid, a base is sodium hydroxide. When hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, they neutralize each other and forms a new substance that is called sodium chloride. This sodium chloride does not show the characters of acid or base. Along with sodium chloride, water and heat is produced. HCl is the formula of hydrochloric acid. We will denote sodium hydroxide by NaOH, sodium chloride NaCl, and water, formula of water is H2O. So this reaction is known as neutralization reaction. During neutralization reaction, heat is evolved. Evolved means produced. So when an acid reacts with base, it forms salt, water and heat is produced. Let's see in what ways this neutralization reaction is useful in our everyday life. First is as a remedy for indigestion. Neutralization reaction in our daily life act as a remedy for indigestion. We know that our inner lining of our stomach produces hydrochloric acid, which helps in the digestion of food. But when we eat spicy food, too much hydrochloric acid is produced and it causes acidity or indigestion. So sometimes indigestion is very painful, as we know that acid neutralize the effect of base. So doctor gives an antacid like milk of magnesia that contains magnesium hydroxide, which is a base. So this base neutralize the effect of acid and cure indigestion. In this way, neutralization reaction act as a remedy for indigestion. Second is to cure ant and bee sting. Ant and bee sting contains formic acid. Ant and bee sting contains which acid? Formic acid. When ant and bee bites a person, it injects formic acid into the skin, which causes pain or swelling. The effect of formic acid is neutralized by moist baking soda or calamine solution that contains zinc carbonate. So the effect of formic acid neutralized by moist baking soda or calamine solution. And what contains calamine solution? Zinc carbonate. Third is In soil treatment, we know that plants grow best in neutral soil, but due to lack of and essential nutrients and excessive use of fertilizers, soil may be either too much acidic or too basic, which affect the which decline the soil fertility and affects the growth of plants. So if the soil is too acidic, it is treated with quicklime. Quicklime is known as calcium oxide or slaked lime. It is known as calcium hydroxide. These are bases which neutralize the effect of acid and makes the soil neutral. If the soil is basic, it is treated with organic matter like compost or manure. This organic matter releases acid into the soil and neutralizes the basic nature of soil and makes it neutral. So in this way, neutralization reaction also help in soil treatment. Fourth is in treatment of factory wastes. Factory wastes are mostly acidic in nature, and if they are allowed to flow into the water bodies without treatment, they will affect the life of aquatic plants and animals. So some basic substances like slaked lime, which is known as calcium hydroxide, added to factory wastes to neutralize the acids present in them before they are discharged into the water bodies. So today you have learned what is neutralization reaction. When an acid mixed with a base, they neutralize the effect of each other and forms a new substance that is called salt. Along with salt, water and heat is produced. And uses of neutralization reaction. How neutralization reaction is very useful in our daily life. It acts as a remedy for indigestion. It is used to cure ant and bee sting, in treatment of soil and in treatment of factory wastes. Now read this chapter properly. We will meet again with exercises of this chapter. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.